how do you do this? How do you do it? How do you do this? Like this. Hey you. Clothes, wardrobe, styling, my life. Are you ready for it? I recently came upon a challenge. It's called the 30-30 challenge, or 30 outfits for 30 days. Basically what you do is you pick out 30 items of clothing, including shoes, where you make up 30 items to basically outfit yourself for 30 days. I have planned out a certain number of tops, a certain number of bottoms, a certain number of jackets, shoes, and dresses that I will be picking from, and we're gonna go from there. And everything, so this is a challenge where I'm not going to completely get rid of other items in case what I chose is not what I want to end up with. The idea is just to kind of slowly ease into this whole decluttering and downsizing and minimizing my closet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to box up things that I don't pick, and I'm just going to set them to the side. I'm going to put them deep in my closet. I'm going to put them somewhere where I'm not going to see them and be tempted to rummage back through them. And basically I'm just going to have in my closet and in my dresser here these 30 items, and we're gonna see what happens after a month of trying to make outfits out of all of these things. So let's get started. So the last step is dresses and shoes. I'm excited actually. I'm feeling invigorated, I'm feeling energized, I'm feeling ready to do this, so let's do it. I completely forgot about jackets. So these are the shoes that I picked. These trainers, which are more casual, like those. These brown heeled boots, like those. Black booties, brown sandals, Birkenstocks, because I couldn't give those up. And these heels for like a nicer outfit, because I love those. So it's getting pretty late right now. It's 11:45 p.m. At least it's a Friday and I have the day off tomorrow. I'm thinking that tomorrow I will film all of the outfits that I picked. I'm actually really excited. I'm excited about this challenge. I'm looking forward to the creativity that I will have to exercise in putting all these outfits together for 30 days. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I have everything ready to go and I'm ready to try on all my outfits now. I already have my hair and makeup fixed, so let's get going. so tired. I've never done this before, and I'm exhausted. That wraps up what I have to show you with my outfits. I'm really excited to get started with this month and pairing up all the combinations that there are with these clothes. I honestly was a little overwhelmed with actually how many combinations there were as I was trying on in front of the camera, and I didn't even put accessories with most of the outfits, so that's another thing I'm excited about. I figured that as I go on, we will keep track of my outfits daily on my Instagram, which you can follow here, and we can keep track there. At the end of the month, I will make a review video of what I thought about this challenge and if I would recommend it to someone who wants to go through this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Maybe consider sharing it. Maybe consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.